Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and software because tracking often fails for basic reasons. First, reboot the Quest 3 to clear temporary glitches. This forces sensors to reinitialize. Next, make sure system firmware and the companion app are fully updated so software fixes are applied. While it updates, gently clean each external camera and lens with a microfiber cloth. Dust, fingerprints, or tape fragments block infrared and confuse the tracking algorithms. Once done, move to the play area setup. You now focus on the environment and sensor view because optical tracking depends on stable visuals. First, remove mirrors and shiny objects that create reflections or false points. Reflections make the headset interpret wrong motion. Then, adjust lighting to even, indirect illumination. Bright daylight is fine, but avoid direct sun, and flickering bulbs confuse frame sampling. Reposition furniture so cameras have at least 2 meters of unobstructed view when you turn. After that, rerun Guardian and mixed reality calibration to let the system. You finish by calibrating and validating tracking to confirm improvements. Run the headset's tracking and controller calibration tools step by step so the system records your play area geometry and controller offsets. Take it slow during prompts so feature matching succeeds. Then test with slow, deliberate head and hand motions. Watch for drift, jitter, or lost controllers, and note when those occur. If problems persist after cleaning, lighting, and calibration, reset tracking data, or as a last resort, perform a factory reset. This clears corrupted profiles and often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.